Today I'm going to show you how to create shapes in CapCut on PC step by step so you can add clean graphics, callouts, and design elements to your video in just a few clicks. This is a super useful trick if you want to make your edits look more professional, highlight important parts of your screen, or simply add a little more style to your project. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the project you want to work on. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top toolbar and click on Stickers. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of its extra design elements, including shapes you can add to your video. After that, look over to the left menu and click Shapes. This will show you a selection of different shapes you can use, like circles, squares, rectangles, arrows, and other visual elements depending on what CapCut has available in your version. Take a moment to browse through the options and find the shape that fits your project best. Now hover over the shape you want and you'll see a plus icon appear. Click that plus icon to add the shape directly into your timeline and onto your project. This is the fastest way to insert the shape without having to drag and drop anything complicated. Once the shape is in your timeline, click on it so it becomes selected. From there, you can drag the handles to resize and customize it. You can stretch it wider, make it taller, adjust its proportions, and position it exactly where you want on the screen. This is really useful if you're creating lower thirds, highlighting text, framing a subject, or making your design match the rest of your video. If you want to fine-tune it even more, keep clicking and dragging until it looks right for your layout. You can make the shape small and subtle, or larger and more noticeable depending on the effect you're going for. The key is to experiment a little so the shape supports your video instead of distracting from it. And that's it, you now know how to create shapes in CapCut on PC. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and it's a great way to make your edits look cleaner and more dynamic. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.